years of research and engineering, the Rat Zapper gives you the power to take control of any rat problem. The Rat Zapper is clean and one of the most humane methods of eliminating rats. The Zapper kills rodents quickly and effectively with a single 8,000-volt electric shock. The Rat Zapper is the ultimate power tool for rodent control and can be used in warehouses, factories, small businesses, barns, and your home. Easy to use in just 5 simple steps. Insert the batteries, bait the trap, place, turn on. Dispose of the rodent and reset for continuous rodent control. The rats are eliminated without the mess of snap or glue traps or the dangers of poisons. The Rat Zapper is available in 2 models. Both use a humane high-voltage shock. The Rat Zapper Classic, good for up to 20 kills per set of 4 AA batteries, and has a chamber size perfect for mice and small to average-sized rats. The Rat Zapper Ultra, good for up to 60 kills, using 4D batteries, and has the largest chamber size available, perfect for eliminating even the largest rats. Either unit is available with the optional rat tail remote indicator light that helps you monitor the Rat Zapper in those hard-to-reach spaces that rodents frequently visit. Or add the optional Rat Pack battery pack, which will triple the number of rodents killed and extend the rat-killing power of the Rat